So I've been locked for about a year and 2 months now, and it's been one of the most grounding parts of my self-love journey. My locks have taught me patience, they've taught me presence, and just how to feel more like myself, natural, beautiful, and whole. But I have noticed a difference in how they're treated. Even in the natural hair space, locks are often left out, especially in luxury. There's still this idea that locks are low maintenance or less polished, and that's not my experience at all. Locks are delicate, they're intentional, and they deserve to be cared for with the same love and detail as any other style. So today I'm taking you with me to a salon that just gets it. A place that honors locks as luxury with thoughtful service, beautiful products, and real intention behind everything they do. And more than just the salon itself, this is a reflection of the way that I choose to show up and take care of myself. Not settling for less than what I deserve and choosing the best of the best only. Good morning! I'm really excited today because as you guys can see by my head, I'm in absolute dire need of a retwist in style. Vitamins. About a month ago or so, or a little over a month ago, I tried a new loctician here in Atlanta. It's called Be Lavish Locs Studio. And to be honest, like, I knew it was going to be a great experience just based on how the salon looks. It gives luxury, it gives high quality, it gives like intentional. And I went and I feel like my experience was even better than I thought it was gonna be. I posted about it on my story and the owners were super grateful. So now I am officially kind of partnering with them. They sent me their full line of their custom lock products. So I've been playing around with those. And today we're going to do a full salon visit and we're gonna do a creative style on my locks. So I am so excited. Oh, and by the way, I've been taking this Mary Ruth's sea moss, the one with spinnerella and chlorella. It is absolutely disgusting. But I started taking it because I wanted to incorporate chlorophyll more in my diet, as well as sea moss. And this felt like a really good combination of all the things. But it's disgusting. Like I had to, and I take it with green juice, but it's still disgusting. And my green juice is really sweet. Like it's not like greeny, but I think what makes it worse is that it's so thick. Like it has like a thick consistency. So yeah, what is today? It's actually June 7th. So tomorrow will make a year and 2 months locked for me. That is so crazy. I feel like my hair is just sprouting out of my head. It's so cool. I've been loving every step of the journey so far. If you're new here, definitely go watch the video where I started my locks. Well, yeah, let me finish getting my vitamins in. Definitely want to go grab a matcha before we head out, so I'll see you guys probably when I get there.
Okay, so what's your preference in hydration spray? Which one do you like? Would you like me to use?
And let's
oils.
do the rose.
Rose, and then what about the oils? Which one?
The stimulate.
Stimulate? Okay. The rose was your favorite?
I think so. I thought I liked the lemon one. That was originally my favorite, but then once y'all sent me the rose, I was like, oh yeah. Oh. The rose is my fave. I actually like combining the rose and the amber one. It's a really good balance, floral, earthy.
And we're still doing the same style with your mohawk buns?
Yes.
3 of them, right?
Okay. And I brought some extra hair just in case you needed to.
Jump, do your thing, please. Do your thing. I need drama. I need moody fingers in the building. All right, man. All right. Okay. All right. Thank you.
I know you're gonna do your thing. It's probably the most different style I've ever done, so I'm excited. Okay.
How long did you think about getting them?
It took me a while. I think I first thought about it maybe in 2020, and then I tried to do my own set and I hated it, so I took it out, and then I went to a salon to get it actually done last year. So it took me 3 years to really commit to the idea.
That I planned.
It was so freaking cute. It was so cute, and she did a little style.
That's a hair and piece.
Yeah, that's where I went.
Long as you got your eyes, got your trippy on them private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm just telling myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. I want you on scene. Think you know your girl's so funny to me. That's why you didn't got left by 1 time. Got tired of your shit, you almost lost your mind. Long stay, call your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold and rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause our house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? You know what you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out your life. You refuse to match up with my vibe. You keep wasting my time, you keep wasting my time. Don't you on scene? Think you know your girl's so funny to be. That's why you didn't got left by 1 time. Got tired of your shit, you almost lost your mind. Long stay, call your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold and rain.
Do you think we could do a barrel in the front? To twist it up and then put the first bun right there?
Yes. Only thing is you're going to have less of your hair in the bun.
Oh yeah, the barrel's gonna get tighter.
And this is the lowest that it can go because of the length. The top ones are right at the end.
What if we make the bun just a tad bit higher?
We can do that. So everything else will be higher.
That's fine.
That's fine?
Yeah.
Okay, so you want a barrel?
In the front.
Okay, with all of this or just in the middle here?
What do you think?
Alright, let me have a look.
Okay.
I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause our house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? You know what you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out your life. You refuse to match up with my vibe. You keep wasting my time. You keep wasting my time.
bring me to so many tears after all these years.
Oh, that's cute. I missed all of that. Oh, shoot. I'm over here jamming to left. That's what the other side look like too?
Yeah.
I trusted you. So sad. What love will make you do. All the things that we accept, be the things that we regret. So all of my ladies, hear me, come on, sing with me. See, when I get straight to leave, you always tell me that you need me. And I'm weak cause I believe you. And I'm mad because I love you. So I stop and think that maybe you can learn to appreciate me. Then it all remains the same. That you ain't never gonna change, never gonna change, never gonna change. My days are gone, baby. And no, my heart can't take no more. No more. See, my days are gone without you. And no, my heart can't take no more. No more.
Yep. No, it looks so good. Oh, it looks amazing. Oh my gosh.
Nobody would be able to sell this stuff.
No, not at all. It looks so good. Like natural size.
Yes.
Like they're not overly.
Mm-hmm. Not too much.
I love it. Woman love. I love it.
Girl, I'm playing. I ain't like coming in 2 weeks.
Oops, I made a mess, keep up with the jet. I'm about to catch, I double the bed. My money stretch from south to the west. Always the best, get home with a check. He done fucked up, put some dough on his head. Gave me $9, left a nut on the list.